Hello. My eyes are puffy. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes. Can you see me?
yes,
Yes. Are you done with your 9 o'clock lesson?
yes.
Oh, what
I
lesson do you have?
um math.
Math. Okay. How about your homework? Are you done with your homework?
I don't have done this. I will send you after class.
Okay. Yeah, sure. You can do it after the class. Okay. Wait, let me turn off this one. There you go. Okay, let's begin. So the our topic for today is about American history, diaries. Do you have a diary, Mian?
Uh, I think no,
A diary? Uh-huh. I'll show you what a
no,
diary is. Uh-huh.
no.
Oh, no, you don't. But do you know what a diary is? Any idea? This is a diary. Can you see it?
But I don't know how to explain.
Can you see it?
Yes, I think.
Hmm. So it depends on your age. Maybe your diary is not that colorful, but today we're going to talk about diaries related to American history. Do you know anything about the American history, dear? Any idea?
No,
No. Like who
no.
started, who went to America? Like about the colonists, maybe? Okay, so let's learn about the American history. And this lesson's focus is reading. So I think we'll read a lot today and we'll learn more vocabulary words. Okay, let's begin. Would you please read the words by yourself?
Uh, Diary, historical
Mhm.
document, detail, event, alive, and a
Pioneer,
time.
pioneer. Okay, okay, thank you. Let's read them one more time. Diary, historical, document, detail, detail, event, alive, pioneer. Okay, so tell me, what things can we write in a diary?
Um, about
Hmm.
I found about many
Uh,
things.
many things, like what? If you've got a diary, what would you write?
I will what like I
Hmm.
what happened today and
Okay. Hmm. Anything else? I used to have a diary when I was a kid, but I don't know exactly what to write. So I didn't finish it. Okay. So as you said, The things that happened in your day. You're right. Okay. Or, anything else? Travel goals,
Mm,
the things you're thinking. Uh-huh. Okay. Next, historical. What does historical mean?
what is what is historical?
hmm Historical means belonging to the past or concerning to history, past events, something that happened in the past. Can you give an example of something that happened in the past or could be considered historical?
What of historic?
hmm Historical, past events,
Oh my god.
not just about
Uh,
yesterday, more far from the past, like in the 1900s, 1800s, something from the history. Uh, so something that belongs to the past is called historical. Okay? Historical. Like the American history. We'll talk about that later. Oh, my nose is running. Ew. Number three, document. Please give an example of a document.
that document.
Uh-huh. It could be printed, it could be in a paper, it could be on electronic copy, it's on your phone. Can you give an example of a document?
I
What is a document?
it's it's something that I don't know. Can you
Oh,
explain?
but you understand the word itself.
Yes.
Okay, so a document provides information or evidence. Think of a document you have at home. My turn. I have a marriage certificate. That is a document, a written document, printed document. Your turn. What documents do you have?
I don't have any.
hmm How about, hmm, I'll give an example, sales invoices, wills and deeds, newspaper issues, oral history recordings, or something, maybe a book, ebook, something that you can read on your phone. That is a document. It could be a hard copy or electronic copy. That is a document. So, what do you have? Which document do you have? Mhm,
I have
mhm,
I have
mhm. Like your family
I
have.
have
What document? Which documents? What documents does your family have?
I think
Okay, it's okay. Do you have a family business?
I think yes.
Yes, so you must have a business permit. A business permit. That is a document too. Does your mom or dad work? Have a job?
Yes.
So so if they work for other people, they must have a contract. A contract. That is a document. Okay, so there are lots of documents. Okay, number four, detail. Detail describes something item by item. So, details. Do you have any question about that? Details?
No.
Okay, number five, event. Can you give an example of an event?
Like festival, I think.
Yes, that is an event. Okay. So, an event, anything that happens, especially something important or unusual event. Number six, alive. What is the opposite of alive?
Um, uh, like
Uh huh.
I think uh, like
Opposite of alive.
that,
What?
that,
Yes, dad. Did you say dad?
that.
Dead. Yes, the opposite of alive is dead. Next, pioneer. Uh-huh. Pioneer. Any idea?
Uh, what is I? Wait.
Louder, please. Uh-huh. What is it? Pioneer.
I don't know. I I don't know this word
Okay, a
and
uh-huh. A pioneer is a person who is among the first to study or develop something. They did it first. Okay. Example. Mhm. Can you use pioneer in a sentence? Think of someone or a group of people who started something. They started doing something. They were the first to do it. Pioneer.
pan, pan,
Mhm. Use pioneer in a sentence.
um pan, pan.
Mhm.
This
Pioneer.
is idea.
Mhm.
I
My turn. Do you want my turn first?
yes,
Okay.
please.
My example is the computer pioneer was one of the first people to visualize a mobile computer. The computer pioneer was one of the first people to visualize a mobile computer. Okay, computer pioneer. Mhm. Your turn.
Oh my God, this book is hard for me.
Oh, okay. It's okay. Later. Let's try again later. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay. Would you please read the words again?
This wa-
Wagon.
wagons alongside shovel, rich, record, mistake, simple.
Okay, now let's try again. Uh-huh. Travelers. 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 It's like a
Travel.
silent E. Travelers. Travelers.
Travel.
Mhm.
Like tra-
Okay, now this one goes up. Record. Record.
I thought this was record. Record.
Uh-huh. Record. Uh-huh. Okay, record. Yeah, but sometimes, or maybe it differs from accent. So there's American accent, there is British accent. Okay, so both are correct. Okay, now I'm gonna show you a picture of a wagon. Where is that? Wagon. There you go. This is a covered wagon. There are wagons that are not covered. Mhm. This part.
This is like
Uh-huh.
hmm,
Mhm. Can you describe it? This is the cover.
it's like food.
Mhm.
And what is this?
So I think this is not, this doesn't have a machine, right? A motor.
Oh, I don't know.
Hmm.
What?
Okay. So this is, I think, the wagons that the Americans used to, they used to, what do you call that? I forgot. Okay, we'll talk about that later. This is a wagon.
What?
Stop
What is
share. Wagon. Yes, a wagon. Next, alongside. So this is an active action. Mhm. What is alongside? Can you
it's
think of another
like
word?
it's like string.
Uh-huh. Use alongside in a sentence.
Mm,
Inside.
alongside
Hmm.
it's like um, we like
Hmm.
like
Alongside. Alongside means close to the side or next to. But when you say next to, you're not moving. You're just maybe sitting or standing. You're not walking. Alongside is moving. You're moving. So you're next to something while you're moving. So maybe alongside the wagon alongside. So while the wagon is moving, you're moving too alongside. Okay? Moving, moving alongside. Next, traveler. I think you know what a traveler is, right?
but I'm bad it explains in English.
Oh, someone who travels is a traveler,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Oh, if you've got any questions, you can ask me anytime, okay? Okay. Next, reach. What can you use reach in the sentence? Reach.
To reach a book in a sketchbook in a booklet.
Okay.
What?
That is a literal reach. We can also use reach to mean gain, achieve, like I want to reach my dreams. I want to reach my goals. So that means gain or achieve. Effort. Okay. Number 12. Mhm. Record. Record. Mhm.
Rec-
Use record in a
record.
sentence.
Um, I am
Record, recording, both will do.
I I'm finding new moisture.
Louder, please. I think you're using
Yes,
your
no.
laptop's audio system. Are you using your laptop? You don't have a headset?
Yeah.
That's why it's quite weak. Your voice is quite weak. I can't hear
Yes,
you
I'm
much.
now three.
Okay. So please try to speak louder. Okay.
But I'm scared that is wrong.
No, I'm not telling you if you're wrong. I will help you if you're wrong.
I'm, I'm scared.
No, don't worry.
But
Mhm. Just
I'm
keep on trying.
finding
Mhm.
work, so I need my record.
Oh, louder, please. Record means something that recalls or relates past events. Record could be a voice recorder, video record, document record. A
Oh, okay,
document
okay.
can also be a record. Okay, please use record in a sentence.
I think I will like. I need to find, but it's still hard for me. I think I'm
Hmm.
finding a new work, so I need my record.
I don't understand. Oh, remember, do you remember the homework that I gave you? What did I say?
Yeah.
What did I say?
What do you mean?
Uh-huh. It's something related to record. I asked you to do it.
No, I don't have. It's on my homework.
You don't? I said to make
Yeah.
you make an audio recording. No? Yeah,
Oh,
that is a record. Recording.
oh my God! Why don't you say Sam? Uh, I thought it's what the writing. And
Writing? Is it in writing? Let me see.
yes, I have done my writing, and I will send you later.
Oh, I
That's what it
said,
was.
since this is about speaking, please make a voice recording and talk about your hometown. Right?
Okay, I will send. Okay, I will have record. I will have to record. And send you
But
later.
it's about speaking. So you have to record your voice. You have to speak. You see? So that is a record, a voice recording. Okay, next, mistake. Can you give another word that has the same meaning as mistake?
And something wrong.
Yes, wrong. Okay, next, simple. Okay, no need to explain. Simple is simple. Okay, next. So here we go. We're going to read a story and please find a life lesson because I will ask you later. Okay, something that you
Okay.
learned about the story. Okay, so please read the first paragraph.
Did you know that? Do you know that diary are historical documents? What's this? Diaries from the past tell stories of days gone by. The people who wrote them took the time to write things as they saw them. They give details about even, events and people they knew. Each writer comes alive in the work they wrote on the paper. diaries help us to learn about how people live and what was important to them.
Okay, thank you. Oh, a tip when reading. Wait, can you see the question mark? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So when the question's answer could be a yes or no, we use a rising intonation. Huh? Did you know? Yes.
Oh,
No. Remember, when the question could be answered with a yes or no, we use rising intonation for the question mark. Did you know? Okay, remember that. Okay, so tell me, what is this paragraph about? What is the topic sentence?
oh, it's about.
Mhm.
Can you repeat the questions for me?
What is this paragraph about?
They are about. Uh, they are about diary.
Yes, that is the main idea. Diaries. And how about the topic sentence? Would you like to finish it? It should be a sentence.
Topic sessions is about historical documents.
Yes. Okay, that is a topic sentence. Okay. Now give two supporting sentence to your topic sentence. You said diaries are historical documents. Give two supporting texts or sentence rather. You see, there's always a topic sentence on each paragraph.
Oh, okay. I'm less sleepy.
Mhm. Give two supporting text sentence. Why do you think diaries are historical documents? Explain why.
Um,
Why are diaries considered historical documents? Just give two. There are lots of supporting sentence. Just give two.
I think because this is
Louder.
I think people because they give
Hmm. I don't understand. Louder. Louder.
I,
Okay, I'll give one.
I,
Mm, okay, here's one. They give details about events and people they knew. Okay, your turn. Give another supporting text. Sentence. Supporting sentence. Diaries are historical documents. They give details about events and people they knew. What else?
diary. You know, they the people who could them took the time to write things as they saw them.
Okay, so everything are supporting sentences aside from the topic sentence. Okay, this is a supporting sentence. This is a supporting sentence. Everything is related to the topic sentence. Okay, next. Where is that? Let me remove those drawings. So let's go to the next part. Please read the next part.
Oh my God. It's, I can see clearly
You
begin
can't?
with
Okay, let's do it again. Okay, better now?
yes, I have to read it.
Yes. You don't want to? Is it long? Too long? Okay, my turn. And please pay attention to pronunciation, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Diaries of the Pioneers on the Oregon Trail help us to understand the hard times those people faced. They tell how they came looking for land to build homes. Diaries tell stories about traveling in covered wagons. They describe how children walked alongside the wagons and often wore no shoes on the path. They tell of snakes and wild animals and crossing wild river waters. Diaries describe attacks, how many travelers got sick, and how it felt to reach their goals. Oh, so who are the characters in the diary? Who are the characters in the diary? So we're already talking about American history. So who are the characters?
Uh, orange shoes.
Oh, I mean characters, the people who we're talking about. Who are they?
Pioneers.
Pioneers, yes. And in the diary, what did they experience as they travel? How did they travel?
Um, they describe
How did they travel?
they
By
they
bus?
walk
Uh
around
huh.
the one
They walk.
and often wore no shoe on the path.
Oh, yes, those are the children. So they traveled in covered wagons alongside with the children. Ooh, and did they face hardships during their travel?
Yes,
Like what?
snake, wild animal, and
Mhm.
crossing wide river water.
Okay, how about their health? Did it affect their health?
Yes, many travelers got sick.
Okay. Is it worth it? Is it worth the hardships?
I think yes.
Yes. Why? Did they succeed?
They
Mm,
I think they
yes.
are
They reach their goals. They reach their goals.
well.
Uh-huh. What is their goal again? Why did they travel? What are they looking for?
Um, they looking for land to build homes.
Yes, so they are colonists. They're looking for homes and so they travel. Okay. Next, your turn.
Oh my God.
There's still
Um,
more.
many, many diaries of the Oregon shows
Oregon.
have been Oregon shows have been made into books. These diaries are records help us understand how people live on the Oregon Trail.
Mm,
They help us understand what went right and what went wrong. This diary helped us learn some their mistakes. They show us how to enjoy the simple things in life.
Oh, okay. So why did they keep these diaries?
They help us how understand people live on the origin trail.
Okay, to help us understand their lives, how they lived. And does it teach us anything?
Um, they teach them what went right and what went wrong.
Okay, so keep the good things, throw the bad things. Okay, what went right, what went wrong. Learn from their mistakes. Okay, now it's time for us to learn a useful phrase. Reach someone's goal. So, again, what was the travelers or the pioneers' goal? Why did they travel?
Where did they travel?
Mhm. Do you remember? Why did they travel? Are they looking for something or anything?
They are to the iron trail
For what are they looking for?
for for line to building
Uh huh. Louder, please.
for land to build homes.
Yes. So they want to find a new home. So that is their goal. How about you, Mian? Do you have any goals to reach? What's your goal in life at your age?
And I think I have. I know. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Reach someone's
I
goal means something that you put effort into, not just a simple goal. You have to reach your hand to attain or achieve it. What things do you need effort to achieve, to fulfill?
think I don't have any.
Like, why do you study? What's your goal?
So good Karima.
Why? Louder, please. I want to study because. What's your goal?
I I want to study because I
I want to. Mhm. So you're 14 right now, right? Or
15.
ah, 15?
Yes.
Yes. So maybe graduate. For now, your goal is to graduate from school. Okay. So after graduating, what could be your goal?
Find new jobs like
Yes. So you see, life is continues, what do you call that? Travel. We always reach something new, something, a goal. So reach someone's goal. I was very happy because I reached my goal. Okay. So let's answer some questions. Question number one. What are some of the hardships about above that pioneers had to face?
uh, seriousness
Letter.
and
Uh-huh. Would you please read your answer so I can hear better? Okay, letter C. Okay. Next, number two. Which of the following diary entries was most likely written by a pioneer?
Um,
A pioneer, a pioneer on the Oregon Trail, okay? Which of the following diary entries was most likely written by a pioneer? Someone traveling.
think, I think,
Most likely,
B.
so it's not
B.
written here. Mhm. It's not written, but
B.
most likely. Letter B. Which one? Remember how the
Letter
travelers.
C.
Uh huh.
Letter
Uh huh. Remember what the diary is about?
or historical document.
Who is it about? It's
No.
about. Mhm. It's about
Yeah.
the pioneers who are traveling, who were traveling, right? They're traveling
Yes.
by. They're traveling by. Oh, my face. What happened to my face? They're traveling by car, by bus. How? How? How did they travel?
By what?
Wagons. So, what do you think? Most likely written by a pioneer traveling by wagon. What happened? What could happen? Could have happened.
I
Hey! One of the wheels broke on the
one
wagon
side.
today. Yes. So when you're finding the answer, dear, always remember the topic sentence and the supporting sentences so you can find the answer. Okay.
I
Because, yes, it's A. It says most likely. Most likely means it's not in the text, but most likely it happened, but not written. Number three. In the passage, the author states that diaries from the past are helpful. Why? Why are the diaries helpful?
what is this? I can be
B, yes. Okay, next, number four. If there were no diaries of the past, we would complete the sentence.
I can see clearly.
You can't. You can't. You can't. You can't. Okay. If there were no diaries of the past, we would.
Oh my god. I can see
You
it.
can't. Okay. What do we do?
Yeah.
How about now?
Okay, that's much
Yes.
better. And now
Okay.
it's clear.
Uh huh. It's not?
I think no, I can see it now.
Okay.
And, I can see.
Mm-hmm. So just imagine if we haven't known or read these diaries about the American history, What would happen? Do we have too much information? B. N-
No.
Not have any
See?
information about Mount Everest. C.
Oh.
Not know much of what happened in past time periods. D. Not understand how to play board games. Which one?
I can see.
Oh, you can. Okay. Letter.
Me. I'll be high.
Which one? Final answer. What's your final answer? We
I can
would
see.
C.
See.
C. Okay. How
Yes. Right.
diaries how does diaries help us?
They help us to understand the hard time the people face.
Okay, hard times. What else? How about what can we learn? Okay, that would be good. But there's another one. So your answer is correct. It helped us to learn about how people lived and what was important to them. Okay. Next, how do diaries describe the children?
No.
So I think this question is incorrect. It must be how did, because it's in the past. How did the diaries describe the children? They,
And they have to like their heart.
the,
Mm,
uh
uh,
the children,
their heart and poor
louder.
their heart and poor.
Oh, yes. How about, remember the diary is about traveling? So, how did the children travel? How did the children travel?
Difficult.
Uh, how? So, remember there's a wagon. Oh, there are wagons. They traveled by wagons. How about the children? Did they get into the wagons to travel?
They have to walk along
Yes.
the
There you
yeah,
go. And often wore no shoes. Next, into
yeah.
which many diaries of the Oregon Trail have been made. Into which they have been made into,
Three.
again, the diaries have been made into,
Three diaries.
oh, are they three? Yes. Okay.
No.
No? Uh-huh. They were
Yes.
made
Yes.
into, mhm.
Two
Are
or
they?
three.
Oh, I mean, they make something different from it. So it says they were made into books. You see,
Oh,
the diaries have been
books.
made into books. So from diaries, they became books. Okay. Diaries help us to learn what was blank to people and how they lived. Complete and fill in the blanks. Help us
What
to learn what was blank to people.
what was important to people and how they
Yes. These diaries help us learn from their.
on their life.
Mm-hmm. And what's the opposite of mistake? Uh-huh.
I and this is history,
Learn from there. You can find the answer
right,
in the last paragraph.
right,
Mhm.
right,
Oh, did I say the opposite?
right.
Oh, I mean synonym or the same meaning as mistake.
Oh, I said wrong.
Mhm. Wrong or error. Did you find the
Okay.
answer?
I
These
think
diaries help us learn from their mistakes or
no,
error. Okay.
no.
But I think it should be life because we can learn from the things they did right and they did wrong, right?
Yeah.
So I agree with your answer. It should be life. Okay, let's review. So tell me, what have you learned in this story from the story?
Oh my God. I will keep doing my homework. I can see right now. It's hard.
What? Tell me first about the life lesson you've learned. Oh no, I'm gonna give you another homework after. You've got two then. What have you learned?
I have learned many things.
Yeah, just give one. One is enough. Life lesson, okay? Something that you think is applicable to you. Oh, I learned that
I have the right diary.
to write. Write? Did you say write?
Yeah,
Write what? Write
diary.
diaries? Oh, okay. And what's the importance of writing a diary?
I don't know.
Hmm. Do you think it's that really important to write a diary?
Just some people. Yes,
Hmm.
it's some people.
Okay. Yes. Like example, some people tend to feel like a diary is a friend. When they don't have a real friend, they can write what they feel in the diary. Okay. So are you going to start writing on a diary?
No, I have
No,
right
not really.
and I like.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I
Uh-huh.
know. I know how you feel. Okay, so that will be for today. I'm going to give you homework later today. Okay? And please finish your
Yeah.
homework. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye.